Hi students, welcome to our channel Max Plus U. Today, class 10 CBSE assertion reasoning question we're going to discuss that chapter 6 triangles. So, we all know assertion reasoning basic things children. Assertion is given two sides, one is 7 centimeter, another one is 8 centimeter, and they have given you the third side is 9 centimeter. The third side is nothing but hypotenuse. The bigger one you square, 9 square is 81. Smaller one you square and add 7 square 49 and 8 square 64. If you add it 113, both are not equal. So assertion is wrong, false. Reason, they're talking about Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Yes, correct. So the first one D, clear a check. Then question number 2. Both the triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent triangles. Then they are similar triangles, are they asked. Yes, if two congruent triangles will be similar. Even they given you one reason. All congruent triangles are similar, but all the similar triangles need not to be a congruent like that. Third question, diagram is missing, so that we will discuss later. Question number 4. They given you A, B, B, C, A, C and all. Whether it is a right angle triangle, they asked. As usual, Pythagoras only. My AC square you can do separator. 26 square is 676. Because why is our AC alone squaring separately? Na? Bigger number you have to square separately. That is nothing but hypotenuse square. Balance two sides you have to square and add. So 24 square plus 10 square, that is nothing but 576 plus 100, that is nothing but 676. So A is true. Or two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles are similar. That is also correct only. Like a CPST, corresponding angle similar, na, then it will be incorrect like that. But it is not correct explanation. Here they are talking about Pythagoras theorem. Here they are talking about corresponding angles. Na. Then what? So the answer is option B. Check kindly. Question number 5. So here they are talking about the lines are parallel and 3 or more line segments are perpendicular to one line. Then we can say parallel. So assertion correct. Yes. PA, QB, RC, SD are parallel from the given figure. Two or more lines are segments perpendicular to one line. So this PA, QB, PC and ST all perpendicular to a single line. Then each are parallel. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 like these lines and all perpendicular to a single line. Then all these four lines are parallel like that, they're giving reason. Correct. Option A. Clear a check pa. Now go for coordinate geometry. That is also easiest only. Question number 1. They have given you the 2 points internally in the ratio 1:2. And reason you check formula m1x2 plus n2 m2x1 by m1 plus m2. Formula is correct. Apply the answer and you're getting this or not, you just check and tell me. Question number 2. Again formula correct, check. m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y by m1 plus m2. Here also formula correct. Ratio, ratio whenever they're talking, you want to consider as k is to 1. Substitute in the section formula. I hope you all know the section formula. That's what they're given here. And check whether you're getting it or not. Then option 3, midpoint formula. Formula correct, yes. And apply the midpoint for P and Q. Whether you're getting the C answer -6 and 1 correct, I check. Question number 4. The point 0, 4 lies on y-axis. The x-coordinate on the y-axis is 0, like that they're asking. Fifth one is point -1, 6, again whether the ratio is 2:7 correct, like that they're asking. And they are talking about the collinear. So first one option they are saying it is D. Why sir option D like that now? A is false. Check whether we are not getting this answer. You solve it and tell me whether you are getting it or not. Question number 2. They are getting it as correct. So they got the ratio as 4 is to 9 by using this. Check whether you are getting it or not. Question number 3. So question number 3 also we are getting properly the answer minus 6 and 1. Yes. Apply the midpoint formula and check it ma. The question number 4. Again it is correct and the correct explanation. Option A ma this option 3 also question number 3 also A, 4 also A. Check. Question number 5. When we are doing both are correct only, but there is no relation here. Collinear na AB plus BC equal to AC, okay. Dividing na for you apply the dividing, you are getting this also correct. But it is not the correct explanation. Option B. So the coordinate geometry I didn't solve it. I'm asking you to solve. Then chapter 8 application of trigonometry. So they have given you sin 60 value root 3 by 2, cos 60 value, cos 30 value, again root 3 by 2, sin 30 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2. Ultimata 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. We are getting the answer 4 by 4 is 1. So this is assertion correct. Reason sin 90 degree 1 and cos 90 degree 0. Both are correct. But this won't be the reason for this. So both are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option B is the answer. Check. Then this is there even in our book. Our book question only 22nd question. Sin A is the product of sin and A. Sin into A, sin A, they are asking? No. So assertion false. The value of sin theta increases when theta increases. I asked. Yes, it's correct. A is false, R is true. Correct. Kindly check. Then again they're talking about the right angle triangle. Right angled at B. Right angled at B na. This is B. A, B, C. A, B is 24. B, C is 7. So this is enough. Here angle will be there since tan C is there. Opposite by adjacent. What is the opposite value now? 24. Adjacent value is 7. So assertion is correct. Check my assertion correct like that. And reason also correct because they're talking about the tan C is opposite by adjacent. Yes, correct. Then question number 4. The sin theta equals to 4 by 3 possible are they asking? It's not possible because 4 by 3 na 3 ones are 3. Balance 1, 3 3s are 9. We know the maximum value of sin theta itself 1. So we won't have a chance of getting 1.3. So assertion wrong. Once assertion falls na itself, reason will be true only. Anyway, we can check. Hypotenuse is the largest side of the triangle. So option D is the correct. Kindly check and tell me, children. So kindly forward to your 10th standard friends. It will be useful for them. Thank you.